Okay, to set when storage sense run in Windows 10 Home, go to settings, click or tap start menu icon, and then click or tap settings, select system, and then select storage, and then you must turn on storage sense. Click switch until on, or click configure storage sense, run it now. To set run storage sense, you must turn on storage sense, tap switch until on, and then click run storage sense drop down menu, and then select option you want: every day, every week, every month, on during low free disk space. Every week, every month, during low free disk space. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.